Today we're going to be talking about relationship mortgage discounts. What is that? Okay, you may have gotten a flyer or a mailer that says, hey, if you work with our mortgage company, we'll give you a discount on your mortgage rate. Generally, you're going to be receiving this type of mail if you have assets at a large institution or if one of your institutions is tied in with a mortgage lender. And generally, you'll get these mailers if you have over $100,000 in the bank. Really, $250, $500, $750 plus is the target for these types of mailers. So what these mailers are doing, it's the private banking division, and they're saying to clients, hey, look, if you have this much money with us, we'll give you this much off the mortgage. If you have this much money with us, we'll give you this much off the mortgage. So they're basically saying that they're going to give you a discounted mortgage rate based on the amount of assets you have with the bank. Okay? Now, is this legit? Yes and no. So there are some banks where their relationship discounts are like crazy. Like you're like, oh my God, like no one can touch that rate because they're really like they had good rates to begin with and then they're doing the discount on top of the good rates. So it's like, you know, if someone moves that huge amount of money there, they're really benefiting with their mortgage rate. Now, also, no, there's some of them. There's one that I saw recently and I was just laughing for like literally 20 minutes. And it was like, oh, it had the same breakdown, you know, you get this off or this off. But the company, this company didn't own a mortgage company. They didn't have mortgages, but they were tied to a mortgage company. So they're like, the mortgage company will give you this. The mortgage company has stupid high rates to begin with. So this relationship discount only brought it to a little bit higher than normal. So that's what you guys need to know. When they say 0.25 off the rate, well, was the rate they were offering you even good to start? Right? It's not like we're going to do the lowest rate in the market and then a quarter off. It could be we're going to do the highest rate, do a quarter off. You're still going to be paying over, but because we said you're rich and that we have a relationship with you, you're just going to trust us. And that's what you guys need to be careful of. It doesn't matter what your income level is. This is marketing, okay? And a lot of times people hit the private banking level and they're like, well, they're going to take care of me. I'm private banking. Sorry, I couldn't do that with a straight face. They're going to take care of me. Guys, they're banks. They're banks, okay? There's some banks that really take great care of their private banking clients. Like, I can think of two offhand. There's others where it's just a LOL. They saw that these two guys did a killer job. They're totally not getting off their marketing and their rates are still higher than if you weren't getting this special discount. So as with anything in mortgages, whenever anyone's saying they're giving you a discount, the discount is off of what? What was the rate to begin with? Was the rate to begin with competitive? Okay? That's what you guys need to look for and test out. Just because they're saying you're rich and they love you and they really want to give you money, it's a bank, right? It's marketing. Always make sure you're comparing to see if it's a real discount. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. Questions or comments, please feel free to reach out. No, I don't have rich people discounts because I am not tied to a bank, but feel free to use me to compare to see if the discount's real. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'm licensed everywhere but Utah and Rhode Island. Talk soon.